So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix random region change on iPhone. If your iPhone expressing random region or language changes without your input, it can be an unusual issue. So guys, here are some steps to help troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. First of all, you have to check location services. Go to your settings, go to privacy and security, go to location services, turn it on and check if any app have recently used your location. Sometimes certain apps may have featured that automatically change setting based on your iPhone. After checking location services, then you have to check your language and region. Go to your settings, go to general, tap on tap on language and region. Then you have to make sure that the language and region settings are configured correctly for your location. Ensure that your preferred language and region are selected. After this, checking these two issues and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is then you have to do is update your iOS version. Indicate that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update can include bug fixes for various issues. So you have to go back, then tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. If updating doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix these issues. So you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting also doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you can do is reset all settings on your iPhone. Setting all settings on your iPhone can sometimes resolve software related issues without erasing your personal data. To do this, simply have to go to your settings, go to general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.